a tutorial video from the Center for Entrepreneurship. For this part of the tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to send attachments. We'll start off with the Gmail first. Click on the plus sign icon to compose an email. Type in the receiver's email and add a subject. If you look at the bottom of the drafted message, you could see a small paperclip icon. Click on that icon and choose the document you wish to send. Sit back and let the file load properly before moving on to the next step. Here you can add a little message to your instructor. Now some of you might be thinking, teaching me how to send attachments? What? Why? That's like the easiest thing to do. That may be true, but in some cases, sometimes the instructors don't always receive the attachments, just the email. Many of the students tend to skip over the loading process. If the file does not load, the attachment doesn't exist, so make sure you let it load before you hit that send button. Now it's time to show you how to add attachments to your COM webmail. Majority of the time, when students send their attachments, the instructor finds that the link has no attachment to it, therefore leaving the email useless. Let's start off by signing into our COM webmails. Hover over the Quick Access drop and click on the Webmail option. Here you'll be putting in your COM webmail, only you'll put in the first 4 letters of your first name and the first 4 letters of your last name. Let me show you how to properly do it. Click on the Compose icon and type in the receiver's email and add a subject to it. You can briefly ask the instructor to look at the attachment, or you can write something that will let them know what's inside the attachment. On the left-hand side of your screen, locate where it says Attachments and click on it. There, it'll give you a 3-step process on how to attach a file. The first one says to browse and select a file. Click on Choose File, locate the document you want to send, click Attach File, and wait for it to appear at the bottom of the screen. Click Done when it's finished loading, and there it'll be attached. Then you'll be able to send your email. Easy as that!